Like, I have the bubble mailers and then I have the bubble wrap. So I'm not playing with you guys. I'm not about to be dealing with broken products. I'm not gonna go down there. It was expensive. So yeah, this is a roller printer and it was $189. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christian. Let's get straight into today's video. So I didn't post on Monday, but it's because finals, my birthday is in 4 days, my business is launching in 4 days. So I did post on my community tab so you guys like knew and it wouldn't be like a huge surprise. But that's why I didn't post on Monday. I'm usually very consistent, but school comes first. So today I have an inventory haul. Since my last business inventory haul, I have spent about $800 more on inventory and things for my business. So we've come to a total of over $1,000. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the additional things that I have purchased since my initial business inventory haul. So launch day is in 4 days. It's on Friday. So go ahead and go to my website, subscribe to our newsletter, go to my Instagram page, like some photos, comment on some photos. Like, we need to build the anticipation. So I'm really proud of myself. I took the product pictures in my backyard with my iPhone and Mother Nature, and the pictures turned out bomb. So if you guys want a video on like taking product pictures, let me know. But let's stop talking and get into the inventory haul. I'm really sorry if you hear air conditioning noises in the background. I don't know how to work around that. Like, I don't really know what to do. But let's start with these big boxes, okay? So this first box, this was like $25, and this is bubble wrap. So this is the brand, and these are basically for, make sure my address ain't showing, y'all is not finna see my address. So this bubble wrap is just for wrapping the bottles because they are glass, and I don't want anybody having any issues with spillage, so I'm gonna make sure I really bubble wrap my bottles really well, because I really don't want to have to spend more money on sending people products because they broke. So this is the bubble wrap, okay? Okay, next up we have my poly mailers. Oh my gosh, these are my poly mailers. These are my bubble mailers, whatever you want to call them. And it literally took me forever to find this color. This color, it's like a, I can't really explain it. It's like a mauve, but it's kind of like a brownish pink. Like, I really can't explain it. But it literally took me forever to find this color, because this is like literally the color that I wanted for every single thing on my business page. This is literally the color of my labels. And when I searched brown poly mailers, brown bubble mailers, nothing was coming up that was similar to this. I was either getting poop brown or USPS, UPS. Like, it was just not giving. So yeah, I got 200 of these, I think. Yeah, I got 200 of these, and I got them from eBay. They were a little bit overpriced. It was like $60. It was like $60 for 200, but I literally could not find this color anywhere, so it was like worth it, to be honest. So yeah, I have 200 of these. So they're my packages. My products are going to be super duper protected. Like, I have the bubble mailers and then I have the bubble wrap. So I'm not playing with you guys. I'm not about to be dealing with broken products. So if your product comes wrapped, just, you know, appreciate the effort. So now that we're done with the boxes, we're not done with the boxes, psych. So the next thing that I got was these labels from, I'm not gonna go down there. So I got these labels from onlinelabels.com because I'll probably insert a picture of the first draft of how my bottles actually looked. And to be honest, it was giving, I'm a small business, like, we really can't afford the quality. So yeah, I decided that it was time to invest in some more professional looking labels. So I bought these from onlinelabels.com and they are waterproof. So I also was like, that's just ghetto. Like, you cannot have these labels that are paper and you have oil. Like, people's hands are probably gonna be wet when they pick the bottle up and then it's gonna like, no. So I purchased these labels, and here is one of the labels. Here was the draft, because I changed the whole title. I made these labels by myself. I made these by myself, look. And they look so bomb, and this was the draft. This is not the final product. This is the draft. So they look amazing. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I feel like a little web designer. Stop playing with her. So this is my little onlinelabels.com, and I got a lot of, I think I got like 200. Yeah, but I'm really proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself. So yeah, these are labels. And then the next thing I got, syringes, because I didn't want to use funnels. I just feel like that's a recipe for something like breaking or one of the bottles tipping over. So yeah, these are syringes to transfer my serum, my hair serum, from the bowl to the bottle. Okay, so I just want everything to look professional. Like, I was thinking about, like, maybe I can just print my labels on paper and then cut them out, and I just want everything to look like, I don't want it to look like, oh, she's just starting out. Like, I don't want it to look like that. So I honestly just went ahead and invested in professionalism. So I bought this printer. The Rollo printer, and it was expensive. So yeah, this is a Rollo printer, and it was $189. I can do an unboxing of this if you guys want it. I'm really interested to see how it works, because it has 5 stars, I think. So okay, so I got the actual Rollo printer paper. There's 500 in here, so it should last me a while. But the good thing to know is that UPS will give you them for free if you order them to your house. So after this, I will be definitely getting them for free, but I just wanted to get the name brand with the name brand. Oh, bougie, you know. But I just wanted to see how the name brand with the name brand would work. And then I got this. I'm not even gonna take it out. It's just a label stand. It's a stand so that you don't have to like keep the labels in a wild place. It actually like feeds it. You sit the labels in the stand and it just like does its thing. So yes, this is the label printer. Okay, so next, okay, so let's just do this box. I really need to be careful. Okay, okay, so this box is from last bottle outlet, and I need to buy some more, but I told you in the last video that I was gonna compare and contrast between each of the bottle companies that I purchased from, and I like this brand better. So yeah, I'm most likely going to be purchasing from this brand because it was cheaper and it's bomb quality. So let me show you guys what one of the bottles looks like without the label. This is how it looks. Dusty, dusty, dusty. That's why I sanitize my bottles before I put the hair serum into them, but it's super duper dusty. You can see that. So dusty. So yeah, these are the bottles, and they came 80 for $60. Now, if you go to Whole Foods, oh my goodness, scam. Scam, scam, scam. Okay, so last but not least, before I show you the actual luxury hair serum, oh wait, should I show you the fenugreek? No, I'm not gonna show the fenugreek. But before I show you the luxury hair serum, I'm gonna show the oils. I'm a little bit hesitant to show the oils because my frustration is that I'm looking on YouTube, I'm like, how to start a hair growth oil business, how to start a hair business, how to start a skincare business. And I'm looking at like these videos and nobody is really saying where they buy their inventory from. And then I watched this one girl's video and she was like, yeah, I don't tell anybody where I get my stuff from, because if you tell people where you get your stuff from, then a lot of people will start buying from that place and they won't have enough inventory for you, or like it won't get shipped to you in a timely manner or something. And I just feel like what's for me is for me, and you just have to stay on top of ordering your stuff. Like, it's on the internet, people are gonna find it eventually, so you just have to stay on top of ordering the inventory. And I really don't have any secrets. I already showed the bottles in my TikTok. So yeah, I'm just gonna show them. So I got a gallon of flaxseed oil. I got a gallon of moringa oil. This oil is expensive. I got a gallon of sunflower oil, and all of these are organic. And I got 100% natural castor oil, and I got a gallon. I got 64 ounces of jojoba oil. I got 64 ounces of sweet almond oil. And then I honestly got these just for myself. This is shea butter, unrefined. And this is cocoa butter. And I use these to basically make like a test batch for my own skin. And let me just tell you, I have been smelling like chocolate. I have been smelling like Hershey Kisses. Okay, so last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the luxury hair serum. Okay, wait, I'm not gonna show this one. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the luxury hair serum. I'm so proud of it. Let's just show it. So this is the bottle. It's probably gonna be flipped because my camera is flipped, so I'll just insert some pictures from Instagram. But y'all, like, scan this, it'll take you straight to my website. So yeah, so this is basically all of the items that I've purchased since my last inventory haul. And I hope that if you're starting a business, this haul was helpful for you guys. And if you're not starting a business, I hope that basically this showed you behind the scenes of what goes on in a business and how much effort goes into literally just like when I tell y'all I was searching for weeks, like 3 weeks, on places where I could buy oils, and everything was looking sketch to me until I found this company, and it's bomb quality. It's bomb quality. So I just got to make sure that I place my orders like in bulk, because if people find out about this place, and it has 5 stars on Etsy, I feel like if people find out about this place, they'll be, you know, slower. But honestly, they have like so many reviews of people saying like, oh, thank you, my order came so fast. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I said that a little fast. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like this video, go to my website and subscribe to my newsletter so you can get the quick info on when things are going to drop, exclusive content. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video, which is gonna be my birthday vlog. So yeah, all right, bye guys.